summer class we are going to study mathematics. Mathematics रो आमे पढितलो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर एंड क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एनसीईआरटी बुक रो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज ता कंप्लीट करथलो 5.1 ता आज आमे पढिबा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ता सी चैप्टर रो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ता वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर दैट इज क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी. So what do you mean by cube root? We know that square root means 1/2, cube root means what 1/3. So unity means what 1. यूनिटी मतलब 1 है, इसका क्यूब रूट मतलब 1/3. इसका रूट हम निकालेंगे. Understood or no? We have to find out the roots of this one. So 1 to the power 1/3. So let x is equal to this much. Let x is equal to this much. So taking cube to both sides, taking cube to both sides. उभय पटे क्यूब कर देले पहले x क्यूब इज इक्वल टू एटा 1 टू द पावर 1/3 का होल क्यूब. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? दिस इंप्लाइज x क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1. x क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1, 3 3 कैंसिलिंग आउट, x क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1. नाउ दिस इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग. सो x क्यूब minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so we know the formula a cube minus b cube. का मन अच्छे किस किस को याद है? a cube minus b cube का फॉर्मूला क्या है? क्लास 9 में पढ़ चुके हैं हम. a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula of a cube minus b cube. अगर चाहिए x cube है, सपोज मैं इसको 1 को मैं क्या लिख लूंगा? x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. अब देखो बच्चे ये वाला फॉर्मूला, पुट दिस फॉर्मूला, अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला टू दिस वन. So this one taken as a, this one taken as b. What it will be? It will be, I will written here x minus 1, then x square plus ab means what? Only x plus b square means 1 is equal to 0. Or this implies x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. तो x का एक स्क्वायर रूट तो होगा, हमारा रूट तो पता चल गया x is equal to 1. ये एक स्क्वायर रूट हो गया. So this is one of the square root of your x, that is cube root of x. So x2 is equal to 1. So the remaining roots can be found by this one. So look at here, this is a quadratic equation. X square plus x plus 1 is a quadratic equation. We know that quadratic formula is what? X is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus 1 plus or minus b square minus 4ac. b square मतलब 1 minus 4ac मतलब minus 4 का रूट by 2a. 2a मतलब 2. अरे क्लास 10th में तुम पढ़ चुके हो. You have to apply this formula. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. हला इसका तो क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला क्या है? x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac का रूट by 2a. So this is quadratic formula. This quadratic formula I applied here. So what I get? X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 का रूट by 2. तो ये कितना हो गया? यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 3 का रूट by 2. तो x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus. We know that root of minus 1 is imaginary, so I can write down this one as a root 3 i. Then minus 1 का we taken as root of minus 1 is equal to I, because negative square root of anything is imaginary. So root 3 and I by 2. So the roots are your what? X is equal to minus 1. You take positive sign plus root 3 I by 2. This one 2 here, sorry. And another square root is your what? X is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2. So these are the cube root of unity. First x is equal to this one. First x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Then x is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2. Then x is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2. Please students, this is the most important. You should have to know about the cube root of unity if you are going through the next topic. So you should write down this one. So I will take x is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Then taking cube both sides, x cube is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. 3 cancelling out. X cube is equal to 1. I take 1 to left hand side. Then apply the formula a cube minus b cube. The formula is written. So the formula is x minus a minus b, a square plus ab plus 1. In place of a, x is there, in place of b, 1 is there. I apply this one. Then one of the root is your 1. X is equal to 1. Sorry. Another root can be found by applying the quadratic formula. So the roots I will get two roots. One is positive -1 plus root 3 I by 2 and -1 minus root 3 I by 2. So listen, these are the cube roots of unity. These are the cube roots of unity. They can be represented by a sign. These cube roots of unity. So write down or make a screenshot of this one. I will erase. Okay, student. Then listen. So listen. Therefore, the cube roots of unity is equal to 1. Then I will take this one as omega. This one is omega, and this one is omega square. If you square to this one, you will get this one. If you square down this one, you will get this one. How it will become? Let me check. If you square down omega, in your high school you will know that we have taken root as alpha and beta, but in class 11th we have taken root as the roots are your what? Omega square. If you take, let us, this one is a omega. If you square down this one, you will get this one. Let me check. So omega is which one? By take first one, -1 plus root 3 I by 2. अब मेरे को क्या करना है, इसको स्क्वायर करूंगा तो इतना आएगा. तो सेकंड वाला देखो, स्क्वायर डाउन करूंगा, -1 प्लस रूट 3 I by 2. आपको स्क्वायर को दिखाना है. देखो पहले ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b का होल स्क्वायर, a माइनस और a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला a स्क्वायर -1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर रूट 3 I का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab 2 into -1 into root 3I. Understood? Then by 4. Any doubt, students? I have to apply the formula a plus b whole square. Suppose this one taken as a, this one taken as b. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then what I will get? So it will be 1. So root 3I का स्क्वायर कितना होगा? Root 3 का स्क्वायर मतलब 3, I का स्क्वायर मतलब -1. So it will be -3. Then it will be -2 root 3I. 2 root 3I by 4. Any doubt, student? So 1 minus 3 is what? -2 root 3I by 4. So take common 2 from all these things. I will take common 2. What should I get? -1 minus root 3I by 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What should I get? -1 minus root 3I by 2. Check here. This one came or not? -1 minus root 3I by 2. So therefore the cube roots of unity are, remember, 1 omega square. 1 omega square. Now in the next video I have to make a relationship between them. We have to find out the relationship between, what is the relationship between 1 omega and omega square. Like that in your high school there is a relationship between alpha and beta. The sum of the two roots alpha plus beta is equal to -b by a, alpha into beta is equal to c by a in your high school study. So in cube root of unity we have to find out the relation between these cube root of unity. So watch for the next episode of this summer course. So on that you have to write down, make a note of this. So stay at home, stay safe, take care of your health.